Welcome to another video. In this video we will show you how to see all your logs. In this video you'll need a Pepper C1 board, USB to UART converter, one micro USB and one mini USB, and two wires to connect your board to the converter. Connect the ground from the Pepper C1 board to the ground from your converter. Then connect the UART 2 transmit line from the Pepper C1 to the receive line on the converter. Connect the USB to UART converter first to check the assigned COM port. Open PuTTY and set the COM port of your converter. Set the speed to the default 115200, then open. You can now connect the Pepper C1 reader. The log should now appear. You can also test this with the RFID card.